Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Pepperstone demo account. First thing I want you to do is come here to pepperstone.com and then you can click here on join now. After that, what I need you to do is scroll down here and I need you to go ahead and select sign up with Google. You can of course sign up with Apple, sign up with Facebook or email as well. I'll use Google and then we'll need to choose our Google account that we want to use. I'll use this one right here. Then we'll click here on continue to allow access to information about us to Pepperstone. And then once we're redirected here, we need to fill in some information about ourselves, our country of residence, account type. I'll leave this as our name. For last name, I'll go ahead and add Smith. Okay. And then let's add a date of birth and also a phone number. So I'll come here and select the United States and put in our phone number. There you go. This is our email address. Then we can click here on continue. And then after that, it will ask us what kind of account we want to create for our profile. So you can either have a demo account or a live account. So here you can click on start trading with demo. And of course, at any point in time, you can upgrade to the live account as well. You just need to verify yourself. But there you go. I've clicked on start trading with demo. And as you can see, I am going to be having my demo account. And as you can see, it is fully functional. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.